Kingston Avenue.
I want to pick up a fridge, guys. A freezer, actually. Stand-up freezer. Lady said it just all of a sudden quit working. I don't know how old this freezer is. I'm taking my chances. I hope it's a newer model. I hope it's not
750 meters, then turn right on Roberts Road.
I hope it's not those old heavy steel ones. I'm crossing my fingers because I can probably fix it. Could be the fan, could be anything small. But if it's a real old one, I still got to pick it up and I guess give it to a scrap guy, whatever. But I'm just hoping it's a good one. We don't know until we get there. I still have to take it if I don't want it. Take your chances. Could be a good freezer.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Alright, somewhere down the street. I hope it's a good freezer. Where's the address? Further down. If it's a heavy piece of shit, man, oh my god, I gotta get rid of it today. Hope it's a good one. We'll soon find out. Alright, we got the freezer. As you can see, it's back here. It's a nice one. Nice freezer. Needs some cleaning. But I asked the guy what's wrong with it. I'm trying to get as much information I can. He goes, it turns on, it just keeps making a clicking noise. So the clicking noise is like an easy fix. I know what that is. All right, heading back to the shop right now. We got the freezer. All right, stay tuned. I'll show you guys the freezer. You can say I'm nuts. Sore back and still trying to hustle. This is it here. It's a monster, massive, goddamn freezer. There it is there. Huge. So I was gonna leave this on a truck for now, strap her down. I didn't want to lay it flat. I put it on flat because that's the only way I could have put it on the truck. So I'm gonna stand it up for now, leave it on the truck because I have no space and no help. I definitely need someone to help me get this off the truck, for sure. I'll give you a look at the inside here. I was hoping it wasn't an old fridge, and this is not an old fridge. It is old, but not that old, but I was hoping. Let's see if I can get back on this truck here. Alright, here we go. See, it's pretty bad shape somewhere, like right here. Gotta clean all that. Just the usual here, it's nothing. Nice shelves. The problem is a nice freezer, because it's huge. Check it out. Huge. Like this will all clean up. I'll spray that now so it doesn't keep corroding on me, but that's the only problem right there. That's gonna be all cleaned out. Other than that, she looks good. This is a nice freezer. It's huge. It's wide. There's the controls here. So he's asked. You wouldn't give me much information. There's what it is. I have to take a picture of that, look it up on YouTube. I was studying it on YouTube yesterday about freezers, and he wouldn't tell me much. I said, does it come on at least? He goes, yes, it comes on, but it keeps making a clicking sound. So any of these guys know out there about freezers? I was watching some YouTube videos yesterday. They were saying it's a little capacitor or something that behind the freezer. I'm not very good at fridges and freezers, but clicking sound. So it's making a clicking sound. So they told me in here, pop that out. That didn't cause damage here, no. I was hoping it didn't cause damage and I laid it flat. Oh, it's unplugged. Wow, what's that? Maybe I did that when I put it on the truck. She's definitely unplugged. I wonder if someone already had a look at it. She's unplugged, so she's unplugged from somewhere. I don't know where that goes to. If anybody knows out there, my appliance flipper guys out there, appreciate the help. But yes, they said in here is like a little relay or something that gets hot, and it's got to be replaced. If you cool it down in the freezer and put it back on, it'll work again. But I'm just trying to see where that wire came from. But she could be fixable. If I get this cleaned out, fixable, geez, I'm looking at a good 500, maybe 6. Once it looks nice. So we'll find out. So if anybody knows out there, when you plug it in, he says the lights come on and it keeps clicking. Like click, click. I've seen that happen before with fridges and freezers. But so it could be a small issue. Hopefully, they even gave me the coasters for it. But yeah, it's a nice freezer. So staying on the truck for now, that's for sure, because I can't move shit. My shop's full. I can't move nothing. Still screwing around with sore back. It's like a disease. I can't stop. But yeah, I should spray that first before I push it back onto the truck. I will spray it when I push it forward a bit. This can stay outside on the truck. As long as no scrapper comes along and cuts my cord. I'm just gonna put it in the middle here. Put it in the middle. Slide it in. It's better than standing up and flat, that's for sure. Alright, it's gonna stay like this. Right there. And strapped really good. Oh man. Gonna hide the cord. Believe it or not, those crackheads will cut this off for copper. I'll just tuck it back here so they don't see the cord. It's happened to me before with dryer plugs. I don't know how desperate they are for one damn cord. Okay, that's tucked back there. Cut my cord off, kick their ass. Alright, we're just gonna strap her down. Strap her down. Nice and tight. Okay, now I'll spray her with some Javex bleach and strap her down. Then go home and rest. Guess I'm not in shape to do anything today. No, I'm not. This guy's supposed to pick up a dryer today. I'm gonna cancel that. There's no way. So, haven't got any hits on the fridge yet, or these. It goes off and on, right? One day could be 20 calls for everything, right? But I'm stoked about this for sure. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright, we're going to use some Tilex mold and mildew. Spray a bit of this around it. Tilex mold and mildew. You can see mold happening right there. Spray this stuff all over it. So we'll clean all the mold. Let that soak. Oh my god, that's terrible. I'm gonna have to replace the seal for sure. This ain't gonna come out. This has to be replaced for sure. Wow. Must have been an air leak or something here. It's probably gonna be replaced. I think that's gonna come out. It's starting to get mold here. Shame when they keep these closed. Okay, good enough for now. Alright, starting to look better already. Got all that. Still, I gotta spray it down. It's getting better over there too now at the bottom. It was all moldy there. It's starting to look better. Yeah, for sure. Alright. Too cold right now to do anything else. Just leave it, let it dry, and continue it on.